Hello student. In the last lecture we have seen that the multiplication and division of integers. There are some rules. We have seen already that. See here, the product of two positive integer is positive. The product of two positive integer is positive. जर दोन पूर्णांक संख्या जर धन असतील तर त्यांचा गुणाकार काय येतो? धन संख्या. नेक्स्ट, the product of two negative integer is positive. जर दोन ऋण संख्या असतील, दोन ऋण पूर्णांक संख्या असतील तर त्यांचा गुणाकार काय येतो? धन संख्याच येतो. नेक्स्ट रूल, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द वन पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर अँड वन निगेटिव्ह इंटिजर इज निगेटिव्ह. काय आहे? जर एक पूर्णांक संख्या धन असेल आणि दुसरी पूर्णांक संख्या जर ऋण असेल तर त्यांचा गुणाकार काय येतो? ऋण संख्या येतो. Always remember that. Let's see example. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Here 3 is positive. Here 2 is positive. The multiplication of these positive integers is positive. Here minus 3 into minus 2. Here both signs are same. That is negative sign. Negative 3 minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to plus. Here sign is plus. Now let's see here. Here minus 3 into plus 2. This is plus 2. Minus 3 and plus 2. Minus 3 into plus 2 is equal to minus 6. The multiplication, sign of multiplication is here minus. Now let's see the table of minus 4. आपल्याला माहिती आहे 4 चा टेबल माहिती आहे. Let's see the table of minus 4. Minus 4 into 0 is equal to 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. कोणत्याही संख्येला जर आपण शून्याने गुणलं तर उत्तर काय येते? शून्यच येते. नेक्स्ट, minus 4 into 1 is equal to minus 4. Here minus 4. One integer is negative. Second integer is positive. Negative integer and positive integer. The answer is negative. Minus 4 into 2 is equal to minus 8. Here one integer is negative, another integer is positive. The multiplication is negative. Minus 4 into 3 is equal to minus 12. Here one integer is negative, another integer is positive. The multiplication of these two integers is negative. Next, see here. Minus 4 into 0, we have already seen here. Any number is multiplied to 0 is equal to 0. Minus 4 into minus 1 is equal to plus 4. Here both signs are same. Minus and minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Minus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 4. Next, minus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 8. Here sign is positive. These two integers are negative. Next, see. Minus 4 into minus 3 is equal to plus 12. Both signs are same. Negative integers. The multiplication of two negative integer is positive. Now let's see here. जर आपण इंटिजर एकनी वाढवला, मल्टिप्लायर एकनी वाढवला. See here. If we increase the multiplier by 1, then the product decreases. काय केलेलं आहे? आपण जर इथं मल्टिप्लायर एकनी वाढवला, इथं काय केले? 0 होता, नंतर मल्टिप्लायर 1 घेतला, नंतर 2 घेतला, 3. If we increase the multiplier, the product decreases. इथं काय होईल? प्रोडक्ट डिक्रीज होईल. minus 4 is greater than minus 8. Minus 8 is greater than minus 12. Now let's see here. If we decrease the multiplier, इथं काय केलेलं आहे? आपण मल्टिप्लायर डिक्रीज केलेला आहे, कमी केलेला आहे. The value of minus 1 is always greater than minus 2. Minus 2 is always greater than minus 3. Here multiplier decreases. The value of multiplication product increases. इथं काय व्हायली? व्हॅल्यू इन्क्रीज व्हायली. And here if we increase the multiplier, आपण हे जर इन्क्रीज केलं तर व्हॅल्यू काय होईल? इथं डिक्रीज व्हायली. Now let's see another, the table of minus 5. Now let's see the table of minus 5. See here. Minus 5 into minus 3 is equal to 15. Here sign is positive. Both integers are negative. The multiplication of two negative integers is positive. Minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to 10. Minus 5 into minus 1 is equal to 5. minus 5 into 0 is equal to 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Minus 5 into 1 is equal to minus 5. Here one sign is negative and another sign is positive. The multiplication of one positive integer and one negative integer is negative. Minus 5 into 2 is equal to minus 10. Minus 5 into 3 is equal to minus 15. Minus 5 into 4 is equal to minus 20. Now let's see here the table of minus 6. Here see here minus 6 into minus 3. Here both integers are negative. Here the multiplication is positive. Minus 6 into minus 3. 6 3s are 18. Minus 6 into minus 2, 12. 6 2s are 12. Minus 6 into minus 1, 6 1s are 6. Minus 6 into 0, 0. Minus 6 into 1. Here, see here. One integer is negative, another integer is positive. Multiplication negative. The sign is negative. 6 1s are 6. Here, 6 2s are minus sign is here 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are minus 24. Minus 6 into plus 4 is equal to minus 24. You solve the remaining examples. Now let's see the practice set 1. Let's see the practice set. In that the first question is minus 5 into minus 7. These two signs are same. Multiplication is positive. Minus 5 into minus 7. 5 7s are 35. The sign is positive. Here minus 9 into 6. Minus 9 into 6. One integer is negative. Another integer is positive. Multiplication is negative. 9 6 are 54. Let's see next example. 9 into minus 4. Here also one integer is positive, another integer is negative. The sign of product is negative. 9 4s are 36. Next here 8 into minus 7. Here one integer is positive, another integer is negative. The sign of product is negative. 8 7s are 56. Next here minus 124 into minus 1. Here both signs are same, negative sign. The product is positive. Minus 124 into minus 1 is equal to plus 124. The remaining example you solve at home. Now let's see the division of integers. Now let's see the division of integers. In that the first rule is the quotient of two positive integer is a positive number. दोन धन पूर्णांक संख्याचा गुणाकार हा काय असतो? धन संख्या असतो. Next see here the quotient of two negative integer is a positive number. The quotient of two negative integer is a positive number. दोन ऋण पूर्णांक संख्याचा गुणाकार हा काय असतो? धन संख्याच असतो. Next the third rule is the quotient of a positive integer and a negative integer. A means 1. Here the quotient of one positive integer and one negative integer is always negative number. काय असेल तो? Negative असेल. See here. एक पूर्णांक संख्या धन असेल आणि दुसरी पूर्णांक संख्या जर ऋण असेल तर त्या दोन्हीचा गुणाकार काय असतो? ऋण संख्या असतो. Now see the next rule which is important. We cannot divide any number by 0. आपण कुठल्याही संख्येला 0 नी भागू शकत नाही. Next we solve some examples. Now let's see some examples. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Here both signs are same, means positive sign. Next minus 18 divided by minus 2. Both signs are same, that is negative sign. What is the quotient? 9. minus 12 divided by 3 is equal to 1 minus 12 upon 3. Here one integer is negative, another integer is positive. The quotient is negative. Minus 12 divided by 3 is equal to minus 4. Now see here, when one integer is divided by another non-zero integer, जर एका पूर्णांक संख्येला जर आपण दुसऱ्या शून्येतर पूर्णांक संख्येने भागले तर then write the denominator of the quotient as a positive integer. काय लिहायचे आपल्याला? डिनॉमिनेटर पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर लिहायचे. सी हियर एक्झाम्पल 7 divided by minus 2. Here denominator is negative. The rule is that when one integer is divided by another non-zero integer, शून्येतर पूर्णांक संख्येने भागले तर काय होणार आहे? हियर आपल्याला असं लिहायचे, त्याचा छेद काय लिहायचे आपल्याला? धन संख्या लिहायचे. नेक्स्ट minus 11 upon minus 3 is equal to 11 divided by 3.